people, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 7 outfits for those that are going to the BTS Love Yourself World Tour. Actually, these outfits are pretty universal, so you could even wear them if you're not going to the World Tour. But my main focus for these outfits were to make them really stylish and very comfy for those that are going to be, you know, standing in line and waiting at a concert for like hours upon hours. I base each outfit off of the members of BTS because I don't know, I just like doing that. And most of them, except for like 2 outfits, are based off of songs from the Love Yourself tour. So there's like Airplane, Mic Drop, Go Go, like you guys would be able to tell. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that this video is brought to you guys by Amino. Amino is an app with millions of communities for every interest and fandom that you guys could ever think of. And because I am sucked into this BTS fandom, the Kpop Style Amino is like my absolute hands down favorite amino on the app. I literally could spend hours upon hours just scrolling through BTS stuff. So this app is perfect because it just has like everything in one little community within one little app. So I like to look at the airport fashion and grab any outfit inspos on my feed and also catch up on my BTS news. So with that, I'm doing a giveaway on the Amino app, and on the Amino app only, I will be giving away this DIY leather jacket that says BTS. It has the logo. I also added LY at the bottom for Love Yourself because the Love Yourself tour is coming up really soon, and I wanted this to be, you know, for the tour. So to enter into this giveaway, all you have to do is click the link in my description box, or you guys go to the comment that I pinned in the comment section and click the link there. Once you've created your Amino account, just search up Kpop Style to join that, and then also search up Nava Rose so you guys can see the actual post for this giveaway. From there, just like and comment who your bias is, and that's pretty much it. The winner will be chosen at random on August 22nd, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and this giveaway is open to US and international armies. Good luck to everyone who's entering. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. And that was so much talking, so let's get on to the actual video. So the first outfit is RM's outfit. For this outfit, I'm wearing a cropped windbreaker jacket. This one's from the Pony and Forever 21 collab. So for the bottoms, I'm wearing these high-waisted kappa booty shorts. Shoes, I'm using my white Air Forces. And for the accessory, I'm just using a black beret from Amazon. This one is inspired by the song ANPANMAN. Am I saying that right? Who knows? Because I'm not Korean and I don't know how to speak Korean. But anyway, so yeah, if you guys watched BTS for their comeback performance, their outfits were very sporty and colorful, and I kind of wanted to play off of that look. And I also chose this because RM style is pretty streetwear and sporty in general, so I thought this would be like a good match together. If you're into sportswear, I think this is good because it's comfy, it's lightweight, you can run if you have to at the tour. I don't know, you might have to run. Oh my gosh, I know, gross, I'm mixing brands, oh no. Ugh, sorry, I don't like mixing brands either, but whatever, it's okay, it's a look, right? Also, I didn't realize my vlog camera's dead, so I'm using my big Canon camera to do this little vlogging section, so my arm will hurt by the end of this video, just saying. This outfit's so comfy, I could do like a marathon and like do everything in this outfit, even the splits. Ouch, that hurt. Okay, so J-Hope's outfit is inspired by the styling from Go Go and the DNA music video. So for my outfit, the striped shirt is from Mix Mix, which I actually featured in another K-pop inspired video. The white overalls are from Dolls Kill. By the way, Dolls Kill is like my favorite shop ever. And my combat boots are from H&M. I felt like these two, like the songs and the fashion styling, just paired well with J-Hope because his personality is just very fun and bright and bubbly and just like, I don't know, I just thought it was perfect. I've been obsessed with oversized sweaters paired with overalls, so that is why I really wanted to wear this for J-Hope's outfit. Look at Oliver, just like pooped. Are you pooped? So for Mr. Worldwide Handsome's outfit, it's not tied into any song at all. I just wanted to wear pink because I have a lot of pink and pink is Jin's favorite color. So for the outfit, like I said, this is a DIY crop top from my previous video. The skirt is from AliExpress for like $6. The black belt I also DIY'd, and I'm just pairing it with my black Vans. I also wanted to make this outfit a little bit more cute and girly for those that have this kind of style. And I also wanted to feature my DIY crop top from my previous BTS video that I posted about a week ago. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I will link that down in the bottom and up here as well. I just really wanted an excuse to wear all pink. Threw on this black belt. It's kind of just like in your face, but I really wanted to break up the pink. Plus the color scheme is like black and pink anyway, so it kind of matches and it kind of goes with everything. sure you guys know what song SUGA's outfit is inspired from. So for the outfit, I am wearing this black basic bodysuit. This one is from Zaful. My camel pants are actually thrifted from the little boy section. That's also one of my favorite hacks. Paired it with the basic red belt because they had that camo red accent thing going on in that music video. And my boots are from Forever 21. The styling for my drop was very edgy and like streetwear-ish, and I felt that kind of like fit in well with SUGA's like style and his vibe overall. This is more on like the tomboyish kind of side a little bit, but it's still more streetwear, still very comfy for you guys to like be comfortable at the tour in, you know? Look, it's so comfy that you could even like twerk in this outfit. I mean, not like BTS has any like twerking songs or anything, but you know what? I still be twerking to like some of their songs even though it's not made for twerking. Jimin's outfit is inspired by the song Fake Love. For this outfit, I'm wearing this cheetah print top that I thrifted at the thrift store, paired with these high-waisted black lace-up shorts that I got at Fashion Nova. I DIY'd this harness from a previous DIY video. I will link at the top and at the bottom as well. And for my boots, I got these ones at AliExpress, which by the way, first time shopping at AliExpress and I loved every single item. So obsessed with these boots. I love them so much. I just really loved his outfit for the Fake Love music video. So I went for that look, and I also paired it with his Pied Piper harness that I DIY'd in a previous video. And putting it together, it just made it super edgy. Even though Jimin's like personality and his personal style is very like, it is kind of like sweet but still kind of edgy. So I guess this outfit actually worked out. So you know what guys, I am actually into this outfit. I already had my East Coast World Tour outfit set already, but you know what? I actually might wear this. I like it. Oof. Wow, I'm so into these boots right now. Okay, so my bias V, his outfit is inspired by the song Airplane Part 2. I thrifted this robe and I found it in the sleepwear section. I actually really like it, so I'm not mad. Basic off-white tee, just wanted to make it very relaxed and loose fitting. These high-waisted slacks, again, are actually little boy slacks that I thrifted at the thrift store, so definitely check out your boy section because they might have some good stuff for you. Slides, I know Tay likes to wear slides a lot, so I just grabbed whatever slides I had at home. I would not wear the slides with this outfit, but you know, it works for the video, so had to do it. So if you guys have watched the performances for Airplane Part 2, you guys know that the styling is very chill and relaxed, and I feel like that just goes hand in hand with Tay's style anyways. A lot of them wore really flowy robes for the performance, so I definitely want to incorporate that into this outfit, especially if that's kind of your style. So if you just want to be super comfy, then this would be the outfit for you. Not least is Jungkook's outfit. I want to save this one for the end because it's pretty universal and it's pretty much what a lot of people would end up wearing anyway. So for my outfit, I'm just using a basic black tee. Just imagine it having like some BTS design or something on the t-shirt. Some high-waisted black pants with some slits. I also want to pair it with a pretty big statement belt because the outfit is pretty simple in general. And for the shoes, a lot of you guys roasted me for not having Tims in my BTS inspired outfits look. So you know what, I had to pair it with these black Tims, and it's perfect because Jungkook wears all black, doesn't he? So yeah, his outfit is pretty basic. Not saying that Jungkook's style is basic, but it is pretty basic. He just likes to wear a lot of t-shirt and jeans. I don't blame him. It's for people that have like a really cool BTS band tee and they just want to pair it with jeans and be pretty simple. There's nothing wrong with that. Being simple is good. Just keep it like really minimal, you know? But yeah, even though this outfit is very simple, it is still very stylish. So I also want to show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing for the tour. This one is my LA outfit. I don't know what I'm gonna wear for the actual outfit yet. Definitely wearing this jacket. Just know it's gonna be extra AF. Like extra, because it's LA. You have to be extra. This is gonna be Texas with my V t-shirt, of course. This is gonna be the East Coast outfit. Again, I'm not sure, I might wear that Jimin outfit that I had earlier on, but this is my SUGA outfit. Yay! BTS World Tour, I'm so excited! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, sorry. So yeah, those are the 7 outfits. I definitely want to hit all different kinds of styles. So you have Jungkook, who's more of like a simple person. Tae, who's very like relaxed and cozy and more flowy and contemporary. Then you have Jimin's, who's is more edgy. SUGA is more streetwear. Jin is very girly. J-Hope is more bubbly. And RM's is more sporty. So if you guys fit into any of those styles, hopefully this could give you guys some outfit options and ideas for the world tour. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up to let me know that. Also, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are going to any of the world tours, DM me. That way we could like meet up or something. I already got some DMs from a lot of you guys. Keep them coming so we could like all meet up and stuff. It'll be so cool. Also, I got a new tattoo over the week, so yay! Also, don't forget to check out the Amino app so you guys can enter into this giveaway. Links are down at the bottom for you guys, so you guys can check that out. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. It is so hot in Southern California right now. I am dying, and these lights are making me melt. So with that being said, I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!